Hi everyone, welcome to DIY Ideas. Today I'll show you how you can make your own DIY reindeer ornament. So here is a spool in a lovely beige or a light brown for our head. Then we have some red for the nose as well as some pink. That's a bit tighter for the loop. Here I have the eyes, so different colors here, and we'll see what we're going to use this time. And I'll be using a bit smaller needle for the loop. For everything else, I'll be using my 3.5mm needle. Okay, so let's start with the head. So we will need 6 chains. Six into the first and connect. So here is our first row, then with 6 chains. So now we will double each of these. So we will do 2 singles per each 1 stitch of the first row. In the third row, we will do double stitches in every other existing stitch. And we will finish this till the beginning. Now add on to every third existing stitch. Now we have 24 stitches and we will do an addition in every 4th stitch and then the next row in every 5th stitch. So it's gonna be really easy to guess what's the incoming step, and we should have a total of 36 stitches after these 2 rows. So our 36 stitches are here and we need 5 rows without any additions. So we're keeping our 36 stitches. So 1 single per each existing one this time. Okay, so this is what you should have for now. So now we can begin to lessen or reduce the number of stitches. So let's do 1 single, 2, 3, 4, and every 5th we're gonna reduce. And then 6, and you continue that way till the end. So now we have 30 stitches, so in the next row we will reduce every 4th stitch. Now in every 3rd. And then you will have 18 stitches, and then we will pause with this and stuff the inside as well as do our face. Okay, so we have 18 stitches in a row and we pause for a bit. So I have prepped my red nose here and I just did a little spiral like this in this red. And now I'll connect it with my head. The eyes are also here. I decided to use the brown ones. So when you find a perfect spot, you can put it together. Okay, so here is my reindeer face, so let's stuff the inside. You can choose whatever stuffing or filling material you might have. I'll also make it a bit firmer, but less filling would mean a softer head, so depending on your choices, as you wish. There we go, now we continue with the lessenings, so this row gets a reduction in every other single. Now we have 12 stitches and now we're reducing each of the stitches in this row. You can follow my lead if this seems tricky, but it's actually quite alright to do. Here's my head. Now we are needing the antlers or whatever you want actually on your head. So then afterwards I'll do a loop on top to hang it up and then we're gonna be almost done. So here's my thinner crocheting needle and let's take our pink thread. We will go here around the 12 stitches row. There, that's the start, and now just go through the other stitches in the same row. And you're gonna get a circle shape in the end. Okay, so this is what I meant. So you should have a little crown shape or a circle shape. And now I'll just continue with the stitches going upwards. Okay, so now I did 3 rows upwards and I'll close this up now. Okay, so I did the lessenings to close it up and now we'll close up the last loop. Pull the thread a bit longer so that you have a loop to hang it up on when you're done. Okay, I tied a knot to secure it and All that is left are ears and antlers. So I also prepped these, but it's super easy to connect them. It's just like every other piece. Here are the antlers, so I can show you in another video how to do these. It would stay like this, and then you would just need to weave in the leftover threads and you'd be done. Okay, so here we are with our result. I hope you guys like the way it looks. Feel free to let me know what you think in the comments section. Maybe you have similar ideas, or maybe you've tried something out. Maybe you have tips or tricks. All of that is welcome. You can also shoot us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and if you would like to see more and stay updated every time we post something new, feel free to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching DIY Ideas. I'll see you in our next video. Until then, have a great day. Bye!